I am not exaggerating when I say all of my friends don't know how to use the iPhone calculator app properly. Every time they enter a wrong digit, they hit C to clear everything and start over. But there's a better way. You just need to swipe from any direction and it will delete the last number. It's that simple. And some of them don't even know what C and AC means. So let's say that you are doing a long calculation with multiple steps and you entered a wrong value. Just press C and it will only clear what's in front of you and will keep all the previous calculation in the calculator. But AC, that is all clear, will clear everything. You can see in this example that I have cleared what's in front of me, but it still has the old calculation and it continues right from there. This just makes your life much easier. Also, if you just want to do the same calculation, like in this example, I'm adding 2 every time, you can just press the equal to button and it will keep going for as long as you want by doing the same calculation. But if you want to do some scientific calculations, there's a pretty good trick for that. It's called scientific calculator. Just turn your phone in landscape mode and you will get the scientific calculator in which you can do a lot more, such as finding the square root of any number pretty easily. Not everyone knows how to calculate a percentage in the calculator, but it's pretty easy actually. All you need to do is enter whatever percentage you want to calculate, for say 15% in this case, and then press the percentage sign and then just enter the value of which you want to calculate the percentage. It's that simple. But there is one big problem with this app. You cannot check your calculations history. I even contacted Apple support to find out if there is a way to check the history of all my calculations, and all they said is the calculator app does not store your previous calculations. But you can check the last result by tapping and holding the app icon either from the app menu or from the control center, and it will show you the last result, and you can also copy the result from here.